Welcome. Today we're diving into the top 5 testing frameworks. I will also talk about the automated testing tools and frameworks that can help you ensure the quality and reliability of your software. Automated testing is the process of using software tools to execute tests and compare the actual outcomes with the expected results. This approach offers several key benefits. First, it provides faster execution, allowing you to run tests more quickly than manual testing. Second, it ensures repeatable tests, meaning the same tests can be run multiple times with consistent results. Finally, automated testing is cost-effective in the long run, reducing the need for manual effort and minimizing the risk of costly defects. First up, we have Selenium. It is a widely used web browser automation framework. Let us see an example code snippet here. This code initializes a Chrome WebDriver, navigates to example.com, finds an element with the ID login, clicks it, and then closes the browser. Some of its features include cross-browser compatibility, multiple language support, and a large community and resources. Next, we have Cypress, which is a modern end-to-end testing framework. It is built for modern web applications. Look at the sample code here. This code defines a test case that visits the login page, types in a username and password, submits the form, and asserts that the URL includes dashboard. Some of its features include real-time browser preview, time travel debugging, and automatic waiting and retries. Our third framework is Playwright, which is used for cross-browser automation. See a sample code here. This code launches a Chromium browser, navigates to example.com, clicks the login button, fills in the username field, and then closes the browser. Its notable features are multi-browser support, mobile testing capabilities, and a built-in test generator. Next in line is Jest, which is commonly used for JavaScript unit testing. Observe a sample code. This code defines a test case that checks if 1 + 2 = 3, and another test case that simulates a user login. Some of its notable features are zero configuration setup, built-in mocking and spying, and snapshot testing support. Finally, we have TestNG, which is a powerful Java testing framework. Here is a sample code. This code defines a test case that navigates to a login page, enters a username, and asserts that the user is logged in. It offers some powerful annotations, parallel test execution, and flexible test configuration. Now it's time to choose your testing framework. We have Selenium for web automation, Cypress for end-to-end testing, Playwright for cross-browser testing, Jest for unit testing, and TestNG for Java testing. Select a framework based on your project needs, team expertise, and specific testing requirements. Good luck! If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.